In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the hood latch on this Honda Civic. It's located under the hood, on top of the radiator, holds your hood down, so let's get started. Let's remove the push clips that hold this cover on. The best way to do this is with a trim tool. Pop out the center and remove the rest of the push clip. And do the same on the other side. If these break, you're going to have some new ones on hand to replace them with. There are also push clips on the side. Oftentimes these break, so I'm just going to finish breaking this one and then install a new one. And same on the other side. Now remove this cover. Use a 10mm socket or wrench and remove the 3 mounting bolts for the hood latch. To avoid damaging the radiator, I'm going to do this one by hand. Okay, take this out. Lift up the hood latch. There's going to be a wire attached underneath. On the back side of the hood latch, you'll find this wiring harness. So press on this tab, pull this side off, and this is the side that comes off with the hood latch. It's clipped on to the upper radiator support. We'll have to unclip it, just pry it out. There we go. Now lift up the hood latch, pull that wire through, flip it over. We'll have to disconnect the hood latch cable. All you have to do for that is just pry this blue sleeve off of its hold down or its retainer, and then there's a ball at the end of the cable that needs to slide up through that slot. It's kind of hard to see. There we go. If you just wiggle it back and forth and go in that direction, it should eventually come out. There's the hood latch. Now take the hood latch and get the cable hooked in to that little cutout right down there. It's going to have to slide like this, and if you need a pick or a screwdriver to help you push it down there, go ahead and use that. There we go. That's hooked in. Now don't forget to clip the blue sleeve back onto the hood latch. Make sure that clicks and locks into place, otherwise this won't function. Flip it over, bring the wire down underneath, and line it up with the mounting holes. Start in the bolts. Try to hold the hood latch centered and flush up against the upper radiator support. Tighten up the bolts. .7 foot-pounds is the torque for all 3 of these. Now grab the connector off the hood latch, plug it into the vehicle harness. Make sure that clicks. If you still had your retainer, clip it in. If not, I'm just going to tuck it underneath this other harness that is already wire tied. That way it'll be more secure. Now bring this cover back in, get it underneath this hood latch lever. Tuck it under the top of the grille. On each side, it had to go underneath the trim on the side. Just like that, with a push clip in here, and a push clip right here, and same on the other side. Push clip in the center, tuck it in over here, and a push clip here to lock it in. Make sure everything lines up and the hood latches properly, and there you have it, job is done.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.